my channel, Simply Lovely Living. My name is Lisi, and today I will be showing you how to get this glam Thanksgiving or Friendsgiving look on a budget using Dollar Tree supplies. Let's get right into it.
Okay, so before we get started on the table setting, there are a few simple crafts that I wanted to show you, such as this Thanksgiving sign from Dollar Tree. I simply painted it using this antique white paint color from Walmart, and these paintbrushes are from Walmart as well. Okay, so I ended up giving this about 2 to 3 coats, front and back, and in between all the letters. And that was it. Now I have this beautiful sign. On this next project, I just wanted to glam up these candle holders a little bit, so I found this gold paint from Walmart, which I will be linking below. And I simply painted the trim on the top portion of this candle holder. And the reason I did this is because I found these other candle holders at Dollar Tree that had a similar trim painted on the bottom, which I will be showing you later. And I just thought that it would be cute and it would match and it would have that extra little touch of glam that I was looking for. So what you're seeing here is about 4 coats of paint, and you can't really see it on here, but you can still see through the paint. So I wanted to keep giving it coats throughout the day to make sure that it would cover it nicely. Okay, so I did end up giving this about 10 coats of paint, but I was really happy with the way that it turned out. As you can see, they match these little candle holders that I got from Dollar Tree, and it just adds that little extra touch of glam that I wanted for this table setting. For my next craft, I will be using these flour sack towels that I found at Dollar Tree, and I will be using them as napkins for my table setting. So I just made sure that it was folded in half lengthwise, and then I folded that in half as well to make a square. And then as you can see here, I am doing the fan folding method. And then when I was done with that, I just simply folded in half again. And I have this cute little ring. It's actually a garland that I found at Dollar Tree, but I'm using it as my napkin ring. And that's it. Super cute. Okay, so now let's get into the fun stuff, which is setting up our table, right? So I use this gray runner to tone down all the gold that I will be using, and I place my thankful sign right on top. Then I got these vases from Dollar Tree. These are actually from Walmart. These are Pampas picks from Walmart because Dollar Tree somehow did not have any fall florals at the time of this video, which was mid-September. They were just completely out of all fall florals at this time somehow, and all the Christmas florals were coming in already. Anyways, I did find these, like I said, at Walmart, and they were still under $1, so we are still shopping with dollar items for this table setting. Okay, so here I'm just putting in all my candles into my candle holders, but as you can see, these candles from Kirkland's were not fitting into these candle holders from Dollar Tree, so I just simply shaved off the bottom and then they worked fine. The taper candles from Dollar Tree are smaller, so those probably would fit a lot better in these. So here I'm just going to glue these taper candles to these cute little leaf candle holders that I found from Dollar Tree, and this will add layers of height to my table setting. Now I'm just rearranging everything and I realized that I need a little bit more bling. So I ended up wrapping this tool around my base, and I had already bought this, but I wasn't sure if I was going to use it or not, and then I realized, yes, I definitely needed a little bit more glam. So I simply wrapped it around twice around the base and I secured it with a dot of glue. And then I added this gold ribbon around as well, because when you're going glam, you just can't have enough glitter, right girls? I think these gold ribbons around these bases definitely gave it that finishing touch that this glam table needed.
I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this about home decor on a budget, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.